Hey guys, fall has arrived and it's the perfect time to share one of my favorite gingerbread recipes with a light gingerbread buttercream. It's perfect for a breakfast starter or an after dinner dessert. We're going to start by placing all of our wet ingredients in a mixing bowl. Here I have my sour cream, oil, milk, and eggs. And as always, I like to crack my eggs in a separate bowl to prevent eggshells and the risk of a bad egg. Mix your wet ingredients well. Now go ahead and add your vanilla extract and continue mixing. In a separate bowl, we're going to add all of our dry ingredients. And yes, I can make this bread from scratch, but why? When this spice cake mix has the main ingredients already. Therefore, I am using 1 box of spice cake mix, followed by those lovely fall spices, ginger, nutmeg, and cinnamon. And lastly, 1 small box of instant vanilla pudding. Give them a good mix with your whisk and then add them to your wet ingredients. Guys, this bread smells so good. Make you want to cozy up with a blanket and a good movie. Now we're going to use our baking spray and we're going to spray a 9 by 13 inch baking pan. Add the mixture to your pan and spread it from corner to corner. We're going to bake this at 350 degrees for 30 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. We're going to be serving our gingerbread as a dessert, so I have chosen to use an icing. And this gingerbread buttercream icing is so delicious. Okay, I have 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, and I'm going to add all my spices, and we're going to whisk those together. Now we're going to take our room temperature butter and we're going to beat it for 3 minutes in a separate bowl. Hold on, I think our gingerbread is ready. Guys, it smells amazing. Take a look at that. Okay, back to the icing. Now we're going to add powdered sugar to our butter. We're going to do a 1/2 cup at a time, and we're going to mix well in between those 1/2 cups. We're going to go ahead and add a pinch of salt. And we're going to add 1 tablespoon of molasses. I like to spray my measuring spoons lightly with a little cooking spray. This will help release any type of syrups with ease. Add your vanilla extract and continue mixing. Scrape your bowl down. Now this consistency is too thick for me, so I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of heavy cream until I get my desired consistency. We're going to transfer this to a piping bag with a tip for a beautiful finish. Guys, when I tell you this gingerbread smells divine, it reminds you absolutely of the fall. It smells so good. All right, we use a 9 by 13 inch baking pan, 9 by 13. However, your 9 by 13 inch baking pan is going to produce an 8 by 12 product. The product that it holds is 8 by 12. So I've already marked off where I'm going to slice it, and we're going to have 6 this way and 4 this way, which means we're going to have 24 little cakes. So I'm gonna go ahead and slice it, and I'm using my pizza slicer, which makes things a whole lot easier. So we're just gonna go right in, and it is the perfect size. Okay, We have our lines. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to turn it this way, and we're going to go down this line 3 times, which we're going to produce 4 squares. And just like that, we have pre-sliced gingerbread. I have my icing here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a swirl on top of each gingerbread. Everybody might not like icing, so we only get a simple little swirl on top of each one. Makes it nice and festive. Each little square gets a nice little swirl. So take a look at that. That is a nice spin on cupcakes. I have a clear container here. We're going to cover that up. And I'm going to see you at the party. Take a look at that moist gingerbread. Let's go in for a taste. And look who's close by. This is my little London, my granddaughter. Okay, we're going to taste it for you. This gingerbread is heavenly. It is so delicious, so simple. And all the ingredients are simple. And the flavors and the spices, they just speak fall. And the swirl of gingerbread icing is the perfect complement. Give this simple version of gingerbread a try. You won't be disappointed. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. And remember, life is good when you keep it simple. I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.